Namaste, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making vegan pad thai. Pad thai is a famous stir-fried rice noodle dish commonly served as a street food and at most restaurants in Thailand. A good pad thai has this amazing flavor and I'm going to show you how easy it is to prepare this incredible recipe with some simple steps. If you are new here, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you'd like to see more vegan videos, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Let's get started. Step number 1. Prep the tofu. I have taken around 250 grams of firm tofu. Slice the tofu blocks in small pieces. You can slice it in any way, but I am going to cut it in small cubes. Once done, place all the tofu cubes in a bowl. Then add half teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste, 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a mix. I'm gently shaking the bowl and that should be enough. Now take a baking tray and arrange the tofu on it with some distance apart. Bake it over 230 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The tofu is cooked beautifully. You may taste the tofu, and if you feel it needs to be more crunchy, let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Step number 2. Cook the rice noodles. Take hot water in a bowl. Add around 2 teaspoons of oil and half teaspoon of salt. Always season the water when you're cooking the noodles. I'm using vermicelli noodles, which are the thin rice noodles. Dip them entirely in hot water. The noodles gets cooked just in 5 minutes, so you can easily make them with this method. Make sure that they are completely dipped in water and you stir them a little so they don't all stick together. I'm gently separating them apart. Repeat the same till the noodles are cooked to perfection. After 5 minutes, the noodles are ready. Try to break it and see if they are perfectly done or not. It's cooked perfectly. Step number 3, the secret ingredient. Well, the secret and the most important ingredient for me is tamarind. Tamarind is a brown, pod-like fruit that contains a sweet tangy pulp which is used in cuisines around the world. Tamarind can also be replaced by fresh lime juice, but it won't be the same. You can either use store-bought tamarind paste directly, or if you have the fruit, soak it in warm water and filter out the seeds. So I have here some tamarind water for the recipe. Step number 4, time to cook the pad thai. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add 1 small thinly sliced onion. Stir fry the onion over high or medium heat till it turns slightly translucent. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes for the onion to cook and turn translucent. Then add 2 to 3 cloves of chopped garlic and turn the heat to low. Stir fry it for 2 minutes. Garlic tends to cook really fast, so even though the heat might be at low, make sure you keep on stirring it. Then add 1 medium chopped carrot, some sprouts and some garlic chives. Stir fry everything for a minute. We shouldn't cook these vegetables for long, just a little stir. Now add the baked tofu to the bowl, followed by the tamarind water and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of agave syrup. You can replace agave syrup with some vegan sugar too. Mix everything well. Now add the cooked rice noodles to the pan as well. Don't stir too much, but try to ensure that the noodles are nicely coated with all the sauces. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. The noodles, tofu and the vegetables will completely absorb all the sauces, and that's how you get that incredible sweet, sour and tangy taste in the vegan pad thai. For the final touch, add some more garlic chives, salt as per taste, and then switch off the heat. Mix everything again and the vegan pad thai is ready. Doesn't it look amazing? But we are not done here, guys. I'm going to now garnish it with some peanuts, garlic chives and sprouts. You can make this in so many different ways and use your favorite vegetables or seasonal vegetables which you have at hand. It is one of those quick recipes which can be made in a big batch in just a couple of minutes. You need to try this recipe whether you are vegan or not. It is so delicious and it has got the sweet and sour flavors packed into one easy to cook noodle dish. There is definitely a good reason why this dish is one of the most popular dishes in Thailand. This healthy pad thai recipe is high in protein and also gluten free, as we use the rice noodles to prepare these. It is also a perfect lunchbox recipe which will taste equally good even if you don't get to reheat it. After plating the pad thai, I am adding some more garlic chives and peanuts, and I love adding the additional sprouts to this recipe as it brings out this lovely crunch. Now finally add some slices of lime and serve. So if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipment and ingredients I use in the description section. You can also find the written recipe of this video on my website foodatomic.com. And if you want to connect with me directly, follow me on Instagram. Also check out this delicious stuffed potato cake recipe, and if you are still looking for more vegan videos, you would definitely love this vegan playlist right here. That's all for today, guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.